10 Tips for Preventive Maintenance, Part 3. Number 7, Equipment Service Personnel. When a technician is working on a machine, have appropriate personnel watch and ask questions. After a few visits with a service tech, your operator may be able to troubleshoot, fix simple problems, and know when to call for expert help. The technician can tell you which preventive maintenance procedures your operator may be competent to perform. Number 8, Document service visits. When you schedule a maintenance visit with an equipment manufacturer, make sure that the service tech will record the inspection. It's important to document not only the date of service, but also what parts of the machine have been checked and what service was performed. Have the rep provide a copy of the inspection record. This checklist will function as a record to the manufacturer and will help you identify items your employees should be inspecting on their own.